So you've got a generator that won't start. Here's how to fix it. First, you want to make sure you got fuel. Second, turn the fuel on. Thirdly, you want to make sure you have spark. If you have those things, then it is most likely a clogged carburetor. Here you can see I'm removing this one so we can get to it. This is me disassembling the carburetor. See how much crap is coming out, which is clearly our problem. We'll remove our jet. The jet has a passageway in the center that allows fuel to be pulled up and mixed with air and sent into the combustion chamber. But since ours is plugged, it is not allowing fuel in, which is causing our no start condition. So in order to clean the jet, I took a piece of wire brush from one of my wire brushes and poked it down inside of there. Make sure you wire brush everything. If it's as caked in rust as mine is, give it a good clean up with some solvent. Now you can see how clean the passageway is inside of this jet here. There's no obstructions or anything. Go ahead and give everything a blast of some parts cleaner or solvent. More for ease of mind than anything. Snug it all back up. Then we can jump back outside to our generator here and start to assemble everything in the same way it was pulled out. And there we have it, back in running order.